Tech giant and current richest person in the world, Elon Musk reportedly has a fixer who, among other tasks, has helped engineer his $44 billion takeover bid of Twitter, according to a recent report. Jared Birchall, Elon Musk's close friend and financial manager, has lived up to the status of his friend, the wealthiest man in the world. It would be an absolute understatement to say he's the most powerful person in Elon Musk's corporate empire. A bunch of Elon Musk's social media followers and fans, on the other hand, are quite curious about Birchall's multifaceted position in Musk's companies. Jared Birchall is also suspected to be the brains behind Elon Musk's buying of the microblogging social media platform Twitter. A lot of folks also believe that Birchall is not only Elon Musk's financial manager, but equally has a large stake in his companies and businesses. The 47-year-old Jared Birchall is considered to be the right-hand man of one of the world's richest men. Imagine being close pals with Musk. That must be incredible. The former banker of Merrill Lynch manages Musk's family office, Accession LLC, which manages his $264 billion fortune, as well as the personal affairs of the new Twitter owner. He is also said to have dug up some dirt on Elon Musk's foes, including British cave diver Vernon Unworth, who sued the multi-billion-dollar mogul for defamation after calling him a pedo guy. Vernon Unworth helped to rescue some Thai children that were trapped in a cave back in 2018, but we'll get deeper into this later in this video. Jared Birchall made the news recently when he told an associate that Twitter's move to ban former President Donald Trump over the January 6th Capitol riot was insane, according to very recent reports. Jared Birchall was born in the year 1974 and went on to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree from Brigham Young University in 1999. He started working as a financial analyst at Goldman Sachs that same year and left a year later in 2002 to work as a private wealth advisor or property consultant at Merrill Lynch, where he stayed until 2010. Then from 2010 to 2016, Birchall worked as a senior vice president at Morgan Stanley, where he earned a reputation for knowing the best way to handle rich people's money. Birchall then left Morgan Stanley in 2016 to help Elon Musk, the founder and CEO of SpaceX, to start Accession, which is a company whose name comes from a science fiction novel written by Ian Banks. Since 2016, he's been the managing director of Accession LLC, so we bet he's doing a pretty great job. Jared Birchall was also the man, or should we say the legend, who led discussions with lots of investors who have committed more than $7 billion in equity to buy the social media platform which Musk now owns, according to recent reports from Bloomberg. Binance, the cryptocurrency exchange, which had pled $500 million toward Elon Musk's takeover bid, said it spoke with Birchall during the process. Oracle co-founder and the 7th richest person in the world, Larry Ellison, with a net worth valued at a whopping $105.7 billion, was willing to invest $1 billion, while Sequoia had pledged $800 million, as shown in an SEC filing. Jared Birchall's job description also includes managing Musk's busy professional and personal schedule. It is Birchall who must arrange the billionaire's security detail, as well as his travels via private jet. Birchall also has the minor task of hiring nannies or babysitters to take care of the CEO's children. Elon Musk and his ex-girlfriend, Canadian pop singer Grimes, are proud parents to 2 children. Musk also has 5 other children with his former marriage to Canadian writer Justine Wilson. As stated earlier, Birchall moved to Los Angeles in 2000 to work in Merrill Lynch's private wealth division, and a regulatory filing stated that Birchall was fired from the company for sending correspondence to a client without management approval. Birchall helps Elon Musk oversee the management of his companies, SpaceX, The Boring Company, Tesla, and the brain implant firm Neuralink, as well as a wide real estate portfolio that includes properties in California. At one point, Jared Birchall was even listed as the CEO of Neuralink, although Elon Musk seems to have taken over the role of CEO of the company more recently. For his work and efficiency and devotion while at it, it's been reported that Birchall takes down a salary of around $1 million and $3 million each year. When Tesla opened a big factory in Austin, Texas, Elon Musk relocated his family office, Accession LLC, there also. According to Bloomberg, Birchall also pulled up his stakes and bought $2.25 million home in Austin in 2020. Birchall also has an estimated net worth of $15 million. Moving on to the 2018 controversy, Birchall was ordered by Musk to dig up some bad information about Unsworth, who slammed Musk's suggestion to use a SpaceX submarine to save the trapped children in Thailand. In court, Birchall testified that he hired a con man who claimed to be a private investigator. During the trial, it was revealed that Birchall hired James Howard Higgins, a private investigator, for a sum of $50,000 at Musk's request, to find some proof that the claim he made against Unsworth was true. Apparently, Howard Higgins had been found guilty of a crime and was actually a con artist, and when he heard about a showdown that took place on Twitter, he sent an email to Musk and pledged to look into Unsworth. In a shallow attempt to link Unsworth to pedophilia, he told Birchall that he met his wife when she was still underage, and that he had been known for going to Thailand, a country that's well known for sex trafficking and child prostitution, frequently for years. In an email to Birchall in August 2018, Howard Higgins wrote, "Early information on the target suggests that several of his lifestyle choices have an unpleasant undertone. There's no doubt that the target mixes with Europeans in the area who enjoy Thai luxuries that are not acceptable in a sophisticated culture." After getting these claims, Birchall told Howard Higgins to give the facts to the British media. Elon Musk won in court and was found not liable for defamation. In court, Birchall stated that he had an instinct to defend Musk. The concept of loyalty is quite important, especially in the family office, mostly because Birchall is exposed to families' most private and sensitive challenges, and it's clear that Birchall is extremely loyal to Elon Musk. Jared Birchall was recently named as the manager of Tesla's new plant, which is being developed by Horse Ranch LLC across the Colorado River. Speculation on social media has also pointed to Elon Musk's investments in Dogecoin Foundation, based on Jared Birchall's role in the rebirth of the company. Musk has also pushed for the usage of the cryptocurrency but denied any direct links to the Dogecoin Foundation. Elon Musk recently told the media that Dogecoin should be used as a payment option to make Twitter better. Although just little is known about Elon Musk's holdings, which are managed through the family office Accession based in Austin, Texas. It was built with the help of Jared Birchall, CEO of Musk's Neuralink brain chip firm. A Musk Foundation board member, the Boring Company, was hired from Morgan Stanley in 2016, a Twitter user said. According to Travis County property records, Jared Birchall, who's close to Tesla CEO Elon Musk, has been identified as the manager of Horse Ranch LLC. Elon Musk is the CEO of Neuralink and controls Musk's family office, another tweet said. The Dogecoin Foundation is revived after 6 years. The title states that Birchall is a family man, and we're about to get into that. Birchall and his wife Laura have 5 kids and reside in a 5-bedroom estate worth $4 million in the luxurious Destiny Hills neighborhood west of Austin, just about 20 miles from downtown. His wife Laura is listed as the director of the Bryant Family Foundation in official documents. The couple's oldest son, Benjamin, is 23 years old. In the wide yard of their gorgeous home, there's an outdoor fire pit, a big swimming pool with a waterfall and grotto, as well as a sports court. There are also 6 bathrooms on the property, as well as a games room, indoor fountain and wine room. Let's not forget the garage that can take about 12 cars. According to security filings, Elon Musk also formed 3 new businesses called X Holdings 1, 2, and 3, which were involved in funding the acquisition of Twitter. Elon Musk arrived in Boca Chica, Texas to talk about a new SpaceX rocket engine with an engineering team after acquiring Twitter recently and celebrating with a post including heart and rocket emojis. "Let's make Twitter maximal fun," he wrote. From all we just spoke about, it's clear to see that Jared Birchall's dedication to his work and loyalty to his boss. Give the man his flowers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.